Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 2 continue division exercise number 2.3. Now properties of division. Here are some property of division. So we understanding these properties. A number when divided by 1 gives the same number is the question. When जब हम किसी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर एवरी टाइम गेट 1. हमेशा किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर 1 ही आएगा. सेकेंड, a number when divided by itself gives the question is 1. Here are one example, 36 divided by 36 means किसी भी नंबर को उसी नंबर से हम अगर डिवाइड करते हैं तो एवरी टाइम वी गेट आंसर 1. नेक्स्ट, 0 when divided by any number gives the question is 0. अगर किसी भी नंबर को हम 0 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो एवरी टाइम क्वेश्चन इज 0. हियर आर वन एग्जाम्पल, 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 75 वी गेट आंसर 0. नाउ नेक्स्ट, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू डिवाइड अ नंबर बाय 0. हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. नाउ this is properties of division, and according to this property of division we filling the blanks. So first is 9 divided by 9. So here are given properties. We divided by itself number, so we get answer 1. B, 462 divided by 1. So we understanding properties. If we divided by any number by 1, so we get answer self number 462. Now next, 364 divided by 0. So according to properties, we divided by any number by 0, so we get answer. We divided by 0 any number, it is not possible. It is not possible to divide a number by 0. 0 से हम किसी भी नंबर को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. So we write here not possible. Now 0 divided by 1598. So we get answer 0. According to these properties, 0 when divided by any number gives the question is 0. अगर 0 को किसी भी नंबर से हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर 0 ही आएगा. नाउ 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 1. सेम वे we divided by any number by 1, so we get answer itself number. Here are 28 divided by 28. So you understanding, we divided by itself number, so we get answer 1. Now next, 0 divided by 6773. So 0 divided by 6773 we get answer 0 according to property. Now 9009. and here divided by 9009. We divided by any number itself, so we get answer 1. हम किसी भी नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर 1 ही आएगा. Now second, filling the boxes according to properties of division. Here are given some fact. We filling the boxes. 718 divided box equal 718. 718. Which number we divided by 718? 718. Which number divide? So we get answer 718. हम इस नंबर को किस नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमको आंसर सेम नंबर आता है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रॉपर्टी वी डिवाइडेड बाय 1. 718 1 जार 718. हम उस नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर वो ही नंबर होता है. नाउ 0 divided by 7425. So what we get answer? Answer is 0. Now next, which number we divided by 1? So we get answer 1132. So we understanding properties. We divided by any number by 1, so we get answer itself. So 1132. 1132 को अगर हम 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर वो ही नंबर आएगा. सेम वे 5421 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 इक्वल, हम इसे 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर यही नंबर आएगा. सो वी राइट 5421. नाउ नेक्स्ट 9378 divided by 9378. We divide by same number, so we get answer 1. Now here 0 divided which number? 0 divided by which number? So we get answer 0. So by any number we write here 15. So 0 divided by 15 we get answer 0. Here we write any number in box. Now in this time we write here 15. You understanding? Now we are once again understanding properties of division. A number when divided by 1 gives the same number as the question. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आंसर 1 ही है. 1 4 ज़ा 4, सो आंसर 1 ही आएगा. वो आंसर 4 आएगा. इधर 4 1 से डिवाइड किया तो 1 4 ज़ा 4. Now a number when divided by itself gives the question is 1. Example 36 divided by 36. We get answer 1. अगर जिस नंबर को हमको डिवाइड करना है उसी नंबर से उसे डिवाइड करेंगे, we get answer 1. Now 0 when divided by any number gives the question is 0. अगर 0 को हम किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर 0 ही आएगा. Here give one example. 0 divided 75 equal 0. It is not possible to divide a number by 0. हम not possible divide a number by 0, हम means 0 से किसी भी नंबर को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. So you understanding this chapter, this exercise? Chapter 2, exercise number 2.4. Now sum is write two division facts for each multiplication fact. Here are given some multiplication facts. We convert in division fact. So 7 multiply 8 equal 56. We write in division fact. How to write? 56 divide by 7. So we get answer 8. So here write division fact. 56 divided by 7. First we divided by 7 and in second fact we divided by 8. So first we write 56 divided by 7 equal 8. Now second, 56 divided by 8. 8 sevens are 56. So we write here 7. Now next, 9 multiply 5 equal 45. So first we write division fact. 45 divided by, first we divided by 9 and after we divided by 5. 9 5s are 45. Second, 45 divided by 5. 5 9s are 45. Now third, 8 multiply 4 equal 32. So we write 32 divided by, first we divide by 8. 8 4s are 32 and second time 32 divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. Now D number, 10 multiply 9 equal 90. So 90 divided by 10. First we divided by 10. 10 9s are 90 and second time 90 divided by 9. 9 10s are 90. Now E number, 2 multiply 1 equal 2. Here 2 divided by, first we divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 and second time 2 divided by 1 equal 1 2s are 2. So you understanding division fact for each multiplication fact. Here are given multiplication fact. We write 2 division fact. Same opposite, write 2 multiplication fact for each division fact. Here are given division fact. We convert multiplication fact. 36 divide by 9 equal 4. So first we write multiplication fact. 9 multiply 4 equal 36. First division fact and second we write opposite. 4 multiply 9 equal 36. 6. Second, 42 multiply 6 equal 7. So first we write 6 multiply 7 equal 42. And second time, second multiply 6 equal 42. Next sum, 24 divided by 4 equal 6. So first we write 4 multiply 6. 4 multiply 6 equal 24. And second time we write 6 multiply 4. 6 multiply 4 equal 24. Now next, 12 divided by 1 equal 12. First we write 1 multiply 12. 1 multiply by 12 equal 12. Now second time, 12 multiply 1 equal 12. Last, 40 divided by 8 equal 5. So we write 8 multiply 5 divide 8 5s are 40. And next time we write opposite number. 5 multiply 8 equal 40. Now you understanding both exercise, filling the blanks and after division fact for each multiplication fact and multiplication fact for each division fact.